Take a little paper, take a little time, fold a simple dream and make it come alive.
Start with a sheet of paper, clean and white and new. Fold it once, fold it twice, see what you can do. Every little crease we make has a story of its own. Something small in our two hands can become a world we've known. Fold it slowly, let it flow. Little by little, watch it grow. What looks simple from the start can become a work of art. Make a paper boat, let your dreams float away. Make your life beautiful, unfold every day. With a little imagination and a heart full of light, turn the simplest moments into something bright. Make a paper boat, let it sail, let it go. Follow where your dreams and imagination flow. It's not just paper, it's a dream that we create. Beautiful things can begin with something small and great. Fold the corners, shape the sides, open up and pull them wide. Every crease and every line brings a little boat to life. No need for perfect, no need to rush. Sometimes the simplest things are the ones we love the most. One fold, one dream, one step, one way. Create a little magic in an ordinary